Shalom everyone, this is Nani Mongamori and welcome to a tech session. Today in this session, I am going to answer the atheistic questions made by a non-atheist and a Muslim, Dr. Zakir Naik, a well-known international Islamic preacher. If you see the second allegation,
point number 2, Bible says in Genesis chapter number 1, verse 3 and 5, light was created on first day. Genesis chapter 1, verse 14 to 19, the cause of light, stars, and the sun, etc., was created on fourth day. How can the cause of light be created on the fourth day later than the light which came into existence on the first day? It's unscientific.
he's saying if the light was created on the first day, how can the source of light can be created on the fourth day? So it is unscientific. Okay. Before answering his question, how can there be evening and morning for the day one which he have quoted earlier without sun? Without sun, how can there be an evening and a morning? How can we say that it's morning or it's evening? If the sun is rising or if the light is coming into the existence or into our lives, we say it is morning. And if the light is passing away, we can say that it's evening. So without sun, how can there be evening and a morning? So the question itself is wrong by Dr. Zakir Naik. Why? Because without the sun there cannot be evening and morning. So without the sun there cannot be day one. So the sun, the source of light, was created before the counting of the days. Moses is not writing the creation when God is doing. Moses is writing some several hundred thousands of years ago the things which were done by God. He is writing in his own informative way. It is just that, but not that God is creating and Moses is writing, or he is just interpreting the creation which was done earlier. So if we see the scripture which you have quoted from Genesis chapter 1 verse 14, the sun and the stars and all of this light, it is just related to the biblical calendar and feasts which you don't know. This is related to the Israelites and to the Jews and everything. Why? Because this Bible is the family book of Abraham. This is not to everyone. Okay, so this is not a contradicting subject. This is just a misunderstanding by everyone. Mostly everybody thinks that this is a contradictory subject, which is not. I hope you got clarity on this allegation, and thank you for watching. Shalom.